All right, so shout out to Nkiru. That's right, give it up for Nkiru. All right, thanks a lot, Nkiru, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day. Again, thanks a lot for my first YouTube interview. All right, so Nkiru, you guys ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. All right, so Nkiru, Nkiru is short for Nkiruka. All right, so let's translate that name together. All right, Nkiruka. So Nke means like it or the thing or whatever you're about to talk about next, right? Iru means in front, right, or ahead of. And Ka means just is better or greater than or bigger than, just, you know, like a superlative, like the best, you know what I'm saying? So you put all three of those parts together, Nkiruka. Nkiruka means what's ahead is better, or having a bright future, or basically like looking forward to something bright or amazing that's like, you know, marvelous, that's gonna happen in the future for me, all right? Nkiruka. Nkiruka's names give them the power to bring the best out of others because they themselves are always hopeful for the future. They're great planners and they're very talented community organizers. Tag and share this video with all the Nkirukas that you know. Thanks. Ndibo Kwen!
Yeah!
America Kwen!
Yeah!
Indojinilo no wakwezo!
Yeah!
Alright, so Nkiruka, or Nkiru, what do you think? Do you like that name? Would you like an Igbo name just like that if you don't have one? Are you expecting a baby soon? And you'd like to bless that baby with a marvelous name that's going to manifest amazing things into that baby's life? Let me know in the comment section down below. So if you, like I said, if you would like an Igbo name for yourself or a child that you're expecting, let me know any concepts or ideas that you would like in that name, either for yourself or, you know, your child that you're expecting. My Instagram DM is linked in the comment section below, right? So in our culture, we believe that whenever someone calls your name, they're speaking the presence of God or the essence or the meaning of that name into existence and manifesting any blessings or power from that name into your life, right? It's kind of like a built-in way to always walk in blessings. So whenever someone just calls your name, they're praising you. You get what I'm saying? So any concept that you have in mind for an Igbo name, basically let me know and I'll give you the closest meaning Igbo name for that. If you would like a name yourself, basically just kind of let me know the personality traits and things like that you have. Feel free to hit me up on my Instagram DM if you want to send me a private message. Let me know a little bit about yourself and I'll give you the perfect matching Igbo name to those traits that you have, right? And if you are Igbo, if you are Nigerian Igbo, or if you're just Igbo by association, I've had a few people who, you know, they have Igbo spouses or friends or something like that, or maybe one of their parents is Igbo. Let me know and I can feature your name on the Igbo Name of the Day. If you want one, I'll give you a name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. All right, so if you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then just tap it really lightly instead for me. All of your engagement goes a really long way because it helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to more people who are like you, who are interested in names for the ancestors, interested in African culture, interested in Nigerian, Igbo culture, and things like that. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep seeing more videos like this. Hit that bell button so you can get a notification when I make a new video. It could be the video that I make for you next, right? Thanks a lot. I look forward to hearing what you guys have to say in the comment section. All of your engagement goes a really long way, so I really appreciate your support of this YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.